Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the concept of cloud computing services. Already I have explained what is the concept of cloud computing with help of an example. Now let us try to understand what type of service a cloud computing platform will provide. The first most important point of cloud computing is it, it will turn the IT services into utilities. Now you will say, what do you mean by IT services and utilities? Like when you are paying the electricity bill, how much electricity you will consume, that much you have to pay. That is an utility bill. When you are going to pay the water bill, then how much water you will consume, that much you have to pay. Similar concept is there for the cloud computing. For any IT service, suppose that I have to store the data in the cloud server, but I don't need to own. So I wanted to store 1 terabyte of data. Then I have to pay only for the storage of 1 terabyte charge. So this one has made a cloud computing storage in a huge demand, and definitely it has turned up IT sectors into very profitable business because we need not to own the server to store the data. That's why we say that the cloud computing has helped to convert IT services into utilities. Second advantage of cloud computing is it has made a unique common standardizations of protocols and technologies. Now you will say, what do you mean by this? Let us consider if I am going to store my data into the Amazon server or Netflix server, I have to follow their standards, their protocols. Then if you wanted to store the data into IBM server, then you have to follow the standard of IBM server. That means the cloud computing utilization is possible only when you are going to standardize your technologies to meet their requirements. Hence, the cloud computing has made a common standard for all the technologies which is emerging right now in the trend. So, in one sense, cloud computing has made possibilities to work several organizations to reach one common standard, and that has helped a technological growth and it has reduced the technological concept. So you can say that this is the second service and requirements which will be provided by the cloud computing. Now, again, when we say about the advantages, there are many advantages of the cloud computing which we are going to study in the details. But whenever we say that services, then first important point is that it will convert the IT services into utilities and it will help to make a technologies a unique standard which will make reduce the complexity of the standard. Next, we are going to study more details about the services of cloud computing. Thank you very much.